All right. Hey, so now that you've got your activity set up, let's go in and create our registration form. Okay. So we're going to select web link. We're going to go into manage forms. Now we're going to have to do this a little bit differently than we did father-daughter ball or the volunteer form, simply because it wasn't allowing me to set it up as a template for some reason. So we're going to type VBS into the search. And you can see right here is Kids Registration, which is, interestingly enough, both the draft and published. Maybe that has something to do with it. But over here, you're going to click the three dots. And again, you're probably going to have to scroll down to find this one. And you're going to copy form. And when the form pops up, you can see now that it's called copy of. And so you're going to do this and get rid of that and add your campus or however you want to do it. So this is WLR VBS. Actually, VBS 2022, West Little Rock. Boom, shaka, laka. So you're going to change that. Now, you can see, just to check this out, so this is kind of just the copy we're going to use everywhere. Read through these frequently asked questions and just make sure that they are accurate for your campus. Then once you're sure that that's all done, click done. Because that's going to appear at the beginning. Parent info, you're going to want to leave that. Address, that be optional if they want to tell us or not. It doesn't matter to me. Child one, then for each child, we're going to ask first name, last name. We're going to ask gender, date of birth, grade in the fall. And if you want to change or anything, there's this little gear over here that says configure. Allergy or other notes, that's just a short text form. And then relationship to family, which is either member of the family or guest of the family. We left this in the template one, which is t-shirt size. So if you're giving away t-shirts, you might actually go in and just say like YS, YM. I would maybe change that, but I'm not going to do that for you. You can do that now. We're not giving away t-shirts at West Little Rock, so I'm actually going to delete that, clicking the X and then getting rid of that. Then here's this wonderful waiver that folks will get to read over, and then they will type in their name, and then they'll sign it, and then they can add another child and repeat that process. So for the most part, that's it, y'all. It's done for you fairly well. We then use grade in the fall we're going to put people into color teams, but let's say that you were doing it differently and you wanted to do something. So I like using drop downs. So you're going to pull this in and maybe you say, which track do you prefer? Boop, I don't know. And then you would select options and you would add options and you would say dirt digging, mud slopping, add an option, water bending, or whatever. And then you would say, hey, you have to put this in. So you hit required and you click done. Again, just to quickly show you how to do a question, right? Again, we're not doing tracks or anything like that. So I'm going to click delete because actually this shows all the things that we need. If for some reason there's something in the form that you need that isn't included in the form, reach out to me, klittle@newlifechurch.tv, or text me if you have my phone number, and I can walk you through how to add the specific thing you need to add. So there you go. Once that's done and you've got it the way you want it to be, you click Save Changes, bloop, and you say Publish. And once again, when it publishes, they give you a QR code that you can use, or you're going to copy the link and you're going to send that to me so I can keep that information updated so that your kids registration at the right date, which is May 8th, will appear for your kids to sign up at that point. So there you go. One more video to go, and that is then how do you make form answers result in assignments inside your activities. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video.